GREATSWIFT.CLUB Homeless Housing. Sarab Center Community Renewable Energy Facilities Proposal. Government buy one, receive one family house plan. Housing the homeless will be at no extra cost to the federal government. By simply utilizing the normal GSA purchases that are already in the pipeline to upgrade, say, facilities for Homeland Security, housing for military bases in the United States or internationally, or any embassies and consulate offices globally. Homes designed and built into communities will be established across the nation under the GREATSWIFT.CLUB buying program. Every purchase from either the local or federal government, yes, any and all facilities operating on renewable energy at or above 189,000 US dollars. A home will be built and given for a family in need. There will be absolutely no need for any legislation frustration. The federal and state government officials simply will purchase what they need, and the homeless receives what they need. This is the GREATSWIFT.CLUB Homeless into Housing Plan. This plan will extend globally for ambassador partnership training, also here locally throughout the borders on both sides of the border, which is the SWIFT Act, SWIFT Solar Wind International Facilities Technology Act, Arizona, California, Texas. On both sides, we will build border towns for those who are helping the migrants to establish jobs and schooling for families, again, throughout both countries. Building homes, schools, offices, emergency medical units, portable farms, and water desalination system. This is the GEP, Global Emergency Provisions, Renewable Energy Community. Again, providing a home for everyone in need. The approximate 600,000 homeless in the United States can have a home with all costs paid. Contracted builders under the GREATSWIFT.CLUB will absorb the total cost of the homes and all facilities within the Sarab Center community. Sarab Center community will be a neighborhood complete with surrounding homes, schools, offices, medical counseling units, portable farms, and stores. All facilities will operate on renewable energy. Sarab Center community will contain 400 homes, housing an average of 5 members per household, times 400 unit facilities equals 2,000 residents per community. The cost to the Sarab Center contracted builders will be $30,240,000 each. Sarab, SARAP, Strategic Advantage Redevelopment Aspirational Project. Contract builder affordability layout design presentation. Again, government buy one, receive one family house plan. The government agency officials will order renewable energy facilities it needs directly from the contract builders under this plan. Purchase examples will be replacement for housing military bases in the United States or internationally. Also, portable renewable energy offices, facilities for the 20-plus Homeland Security agencies will be ordered. Moreover, emergency backup operation units for the 280-plus embassies or consulate offices worldwide will be needed. The role of the U.S. government. The buying arm of the GSA and other agencies will purchase the multi-purpose renewable energy facilities from the contracted builders under the Great Swift Club Developers Plan for the wholesale cost of $210,000 US. In addition, $21,000 will be deducted from the manufactured wholesale price, discounting the wholesale purchase price down to $189,000 US. The $21,000 in savings to the government will be divided and given to each family resident within the Sarah Center communities. This GIVE program, called BUY, B-U-Y, Benefit Unit Year Bonus Credits, will be administered by the federal or local government agencies. Now, since up to 5 family member residents can occupy the home unit, these funds will be divided among each resident. Breakdown of funds will be $4,200 yearly or $350 monthly throughout the calendar year. Please note, these funds are considered a credit voucher for basic purchases needed, available within the community. Great Swift Club Sarah Center Communities nationwide proposal cost breakdown. The government will purchase at least 120,000 multi-purpose renewable energy facilities at the cost of $189,000 each. Throughout the duration of the project, purchasing facilities or the equivalent in value for other products and services needed throughout the country and internationally. The total cost will run upwards to $22,680,000,000 US. The Sarah Center's contract builders will fund approximately 600,000 homeless, divided by an average of 5 members per household equals 120,000 home facilities needed. The normal 420 square foot unit will be upgraded and replaced with a 530 square foot unit home. The normal wholesale cost of $75,000 plus. This unit will be reduced to the GSA discounted price of $63,000 per unit. Therefore, the home facility placed within the Sarah Center communities will be $63,000 per unit times 120,000 homes, equaling $7,560,000,000 US. This cost will be absorbed directly by the manufacturer and contracted builder of Sarah Center communities. Moreover, the total cost borne by the manufacturer and contracted builder is based on each community unit, housing approximately, again, 2,000 residents, which equals one complete community. Therefore, 2,000 residents per community divided by the approximate 600,000 homeless within the nation equals 300 Sarah Center communities needed. The total cost paid by the manufacturer and contracted builder of the Sarah Center communities will be $30,240,000. That amount times 300 facilities is the total of $9,072,000,000 US. Government buy one, receive one. Family house plan is the key. Since $9,072,000,000 for the Sarah Center home community facilities is absorbed by the manufacturer and contracted builder. The cost to the federal and local government is greatly reduced. Upgrading our entire housing infrastructure throughout the nation gives hope and helps in solving our national crisis, including replacement housing for the military bases in the United States and internationally, along with new portable renewable energy office facilities for 20 plus Homeland Security agencies, in addition to providing emergency backup operation units for the 280 plus embassies and consulate offices worldwide at the reduced cost from $22,680,000,000 to $13,608,000,000 US dollars. This is a win-win for the country. Now, housing, the total number of homeless throughout the country, about 600,000 within the nation, in the United States will be less than the cost of an air carrier. That's right, an aircraft carrier. Yet, the SAREP Home Center community facilities will carry the entire homeless population of the nation. The SWIFT.CLUB Homeless Housing Plan is not just designed for California or our nation, but the entire global community.